Welcome to Cars Trends, where the latest and greatest in automotive innovation is always on display. Today, we're excited to take a closer look at the Mercedes CLA concept, a vehicle that embodies the perfect blend of style, performance, and cutting-edge technology. Mercedes CLA is a testament to the brand's commitment to creating vehicles that are both exciting and technologically advanced. With its sleek and aerodynamic design, this vehicle is sure to turn heads on the road. The CLA's lines are clean and modern, with a focus on functionality and performance. The CLA's design is a perfect blend of form and function. Every detail, from its sleek lines to its advanced aerodynamics, has been carefully crafted to create a vehicle that's both beautiful and high performance. The CLA's modern design language is characterized by clean lines, swooping curves, and a sense of dynamic movement. Under the hood, the Mercedes CLA features an advanced powertrain that delivers impressive performance and efficiency. The vehicle's advanced engine produces rapid acceleration and responsive handling, making it a thrill to drive. The CLA's advanced transmission system provides smooth and precise shifting, while the vehicle's advanced suspension system provides a smooth and stable ride. The interior of the Mercedes CLA is designed to provide a driving experience that's both luxurious and high performance. The vehicle's premium materials and attention to detail make it a true standout in its class. From its sport seats to its advanced infotainment system, every aspect of the CLA's interior has been designed to provide a superior driving experience. The Mercedes CLA's advanced technology is another key aspect of its appeal. The vehicle's innovative infotainment system features a large touchscreen display and intuitive controls, making it easy to navigate the vehicle's advanced features. The CLA's advanced driver assistance systems also make it easier to navigate complex roadways and traffic situations. The Mercedes CLA's performance capabilities are truly exceptional. Its advanced engine delivers rapid acceleration and responsive handling, making it a thrill to drive on both straight roads and twisty mountain passes. The CLA's advanced suspension system provides a smooth and stable ride, whether you're driving aggressively or cruising through the city. In terms of luxury, the Mercedes CLA is a true standout. Its premium materials and attention to detail make it a vehicle that's both beautiful and high performance. From its sport seats to its advanced infotainment system, every aspect of the CLA's interior has been designed to provide a superior driving experience. The Mercedes CLA is more than just a car, it's a statement piece. It's a reflection of the brand's values and its dedication to creating vehicles that are both exciting and high performance. Whether you're driving through the city or carving up the mountain roads, the CLA's advanced technology and impressive performance capabilities make it a true standout on the road. As we take a closer look at the Mercedes CLA, it's clear that this vehicle is a testament to the brand's commitment to innovation and performance.